Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by stopping guesswork and acting. Power on the deck, place a record, and listen briefly. Once done, confirm platter speed, 33 1/3 or 45, and watch for wobble. Check the stylus under good light. A dirty or chipped needle is the single most common fault. Make sure the ground wire is tightened to your amplifier, and RCA plugs are fully seated. If the unit uses a belt, inspect for cracks or slip. Replace now before deeper adjustments. Now you tackle alignment and forces. Mount the cartridge and use a protractor to set azimuth and overhang. Proper alignment reduces distortion across the record. Next, balance the tone arm and set tracking force with a digital scale to the cartridge manufacturer's spec. Then dial in anti-skate to match that force so inner grooves track cleanly. Adjust vertical tracking angle by altering tone arm height until the arm is parallel during playback. These steps directly affect clarity, channel balance. You finish by evaluating sound with a reference record so you can hear subtle problems. Once done, tweak phono preamp gain and loading to match the cartridge. Change RCA cables or improve isolation with a small isolation pad if resonance appears. If hum persists, check for ground loop and try lifting ground at one device briefly to diagnose. If distortion remains, recheck stylus condition and alignment. Often a worn needle or misaligned cartridge is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.